Okay, just filming a quick fix here. This is a Bissell Lift Off system, and what I found is that the nozzle on this was not spraying water. I think that's a common problem. I googled it and it seemed like a lot was happening, and I'm going to show you right now what the problem on mine was. Now, I've seen before that the pump can go out, and the pump is under here. That's the pump motor. The white thing there is the pump, and if that gets stuck, you can potentially free that and oil it, as seen on a YouTube video if you just Google that. The issue was with mine was it was not getting water, and I could see the clear tubing was never filling with water. The pump was spinning, and if I pull this off and set the tank directly onto here, then it would spray no problem. But as soon as I put this back on, it would not spray. And what I figured out was this was not sitting low enough in this place right here with everything put together, because this has a little valve right here, a water valve that lets water out of the tank and into the unit. I messed around with this for quite a while. Finally figured it out. What had happened here is that this section where the valve screws onto the tank had gotten pushed in from probably just repeated use, and the plastic here is probably a little bit too soft. So all I did is I took my heat gun on the low setting and I just heated around here really quickly until it got pretty warm and soft and pliable, and I pulled this up just kind of straight up and out, and now you can see there's a little bit of a ridge there where that's supposed to sit down, so I'm hoping that that will fix this. Let's see. So to do this fix, you don't actually have to disassemble the unit at all, just remove the tank. You might even be able to use a blow dryer on the hot setting to heat that up enough to become pliable. Yeah, really simple fix. I got this unit for like 10 or 15 bucks. So I'm gonna put it all back together and clean my car tomorrow morning.